Is 0.375 the same as 3/4? The answer is no. Let me give you the right answer. So convert this decimal to fraction. So we need numerator. For numerator, just keep this decimal, write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10 as a multiplication. Now we need to reduce this fraction. So how to do that? To reduce this fraction in one step, we have to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common divisor. But if you want to simplify this fraction into multiple steps, then we need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, so 5 is a common factor. This is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. This is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 0. So I will get 2 here and I will get 75 if I divide by 5. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, I will get 2 and I will get 15. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, I will get 2, I will get 3. So I am getting 3 over 2 times 4, 4 times 2, 8. So 0.375 is equivalent to 3 over 8, not 3/4. You can also say, look, just divide 3/4. Find the decimal equivalent of this fraction. So divide 3 by 4. 4 goes into 3 0 times as 3 is less than 4. Then 4 times 0 0, subtract 3. To continue this process, take here decimal, add number of zeros. Bring down the first 0, but before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 30 how many times? 7 times. 7 times 4, 28. Subtract 2, bring down another 0. 4 goes into 25 times. 5 times 4, 20. That is 3 over 4 is equivalent to 0.5, not 0.375.